Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here with something new to my channel, and it's Makynail Mystery Box. Now, if you're not familiar, I found this on Etsy. I will go ahead and leave a link for you down below if you're interested. Now, what Makynail is, they supply nail supplies. So all the little rhinestones and stickers and maybe some other items that you would need to do your nails. I am hooked on nail products. I love to keep my nails pretty, and I thought this would be perfect. So this goes for $29.99 a month. It's a mystery box every month. They also have other options. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for January. When you open the box, this is what you're going to see, all kinds of fun goodies. I have peeked already, so, you know, whenever I get a new box, I like to take a peek inside so I know what I'm working with. So the first thing I am pulling out is this little tray. Now, it did come in a set of 2. These are perfect to hold your little rhinestones in so they don't fly all over the place. It's easier to grab them that way. And also, the other tray, I'm using it for all my little rubber earring backs, and I'm keeping that by my earring rack. So, multi-uses for these things. So that's the first thing. The second thing I am pulling out is this. This is a chrome powder. So this you would rub on top of your nail. It has to be a special top coat, and it makes it really shiny, like chrome, metallic. And it comes with 2 applicators so that you can go ahead and rub that on. Then what I see is a bunch of jewels. I'll go ahead and put a picture here so you can see what they look like. But they just set right on top of your nail, and you just put them in place with a top coat and they won't go anywhere. And that's what those are. There's 5 of them. They're gold, and some of them have rhinestones and some don't, but they're very pretty jewels. And the next thing I see is another jewel type thing. These are metal crosses. Let's see. Yeah, you can see them. They're metal crosses. They're in silver. They're very cool. And you just apply them to the nail the same way as the other jewels. And there's a bunch of them in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 10 of them in here. The next thing I see is this. Now, you might think this is a ring. It is. But it's a palette. So when you're doing nail art, you can put drops of your polish, your gel polish, whatever you would like to do designs with. And it's just right here for you to use. So that's kind of cool. The next thing I see is a spatula, and it does have a brush. These are usually used for a gel type product. These are very handy to have. The next thing is by Cuccio, Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. That's a nice little tiny bottle. These types of things last a long time, so this is a perfect size. The next thing I see is a platinum UV gel. So you can just brush it right on your nail. I did open it already, and it is a gold color. So that would be really pretty to do some fancy little nail art with. Keep these upright. This was on its side, and that's why it kind of spilled all over. But yeah, you've got to keep these upright. The next thing is a pearl gel. So we have another gel product. This is probably the color of pearl. It's 01. Yeah, it's like a pink pearl. Very pretty. And you would use the spatula to get that out and then use the brush to smooth it. And then put it under a UV light. UV lights are very reasonable now. You can get them like for $12 on Amazon and they'll work just fine. And then I have another one. Is this the same color? Let's see. I didn't notice before. 09. So this is a different color. This one looks like more of a mauve. Other folks say mauve, but I think it's mauve. That's a pretty color. That'd be great for a French manicure. Both of those would be. All right, what else do we have? We have a jewel that says 2023 on it. Let's see. There you go, 2023, and the 0 has a rhinestone. That's cute. Oh, and then for Valentine's, look at all of these little clear hearts. You just put them, just drop them right on top of your nail while they're wet, and it'll stick in place. Awesome. Ooh, and then we have some foil. This is like a pink marble foil. This is probably about 1 meter long. That's how they usually come. And you have to use like a foil glue, which is easy to get. And you just rest it on there when the foil glue changes color, peel it off, and you've got the design on your nail. Oh, we also have one sheet of like an aurora, I would say. That's like an aurora, isn't it? Not sure. You know, some are mermaids, some are aurora, some are just whatever. And the last thing in the box are these adorable hearts. These are stickers. So you basically just peel them off with some tweezers and you just apply it directly onto the nail and you're good to go. It's a sticker. Put a top coat over it so it doesn't peel off. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 things for $29.99. I love it. It's all these little things that you just think about picking up, and this kind of forces you to use them and have fun with your nails, and I love it. So I'm very happy with my first box from Makynail. Again, I'll leave a link for you down below. And I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.